What's up, yo? This is Father of Grom featuring on Mother of Grom, telling you how I made one of these large industrial grid-like mirrors. A plywood sheet or large MDF sheet, some smaller PSE timber battens and the IKEA LOTS mirrors. I use 5mm ply. I would like to have used a bit thicker, but I had this lying around the house. Visualize your grid, lay out the battens, horizontal ones on the plywood, put the mirrors in between. The LOTS mirrors are 300 by 300mm, so this is the length that your vertical divider battens are going to be cut. Give the ends a sweet little sand. Check the 300mm batten in the horizontal battens for a good fit. If you're happy with the 300mm batten fit, I'd suggest using this as a template to cut the remainder. Stick everything in, the battens and the mirrors. The two end battens or bookend battens are going to be longer than the rest. These need to be measured and cut. Also measure the total footprint for the mirror and mark this on the back plywood to be cut. Cut the plywood to your marked size, use a circular saw for this. Lay out all the mirror components for one last time on the sheet of ply. Make sure the mirrors aren't too tight. Now permanently fix the battens to the ply using grab adhesive. I wouldn't use silicone as you can't paint it. When the grab adhesive had cured, I removed all the mirrors, flipped over the structure and secured the ply onto the PSE timbers using panel pins. The panel pins were 20mm, which was enough to get them through the ply and into the PSE. I tacked the panel pins in from the reverse so that no heads would be visible from the front of the mirror. As you go along fixing the battens, make sure the mirrors can come out. I use one of these suction cups. It was finally time to paint. You can do this by hand, the old-fashioned way with a brush, which I did. I used a Valspar paint that dried in 2 hours and I applied a second coat. I let the mirror dry for 24 hours. I then used grab adhesive to stick all the mirrors in. For mounting this, I used modesty blocks. Oh yeah! And there we have it, a stupidly large mirror for a stupidly crazy world.